I want people to feel what I feel. I want them to feel that energy that whatever it was. Yeah, that's all it is. Yeah. 'Cause I make it straight from the heart.
Yeah, what am I doing wrong? What am I doing wrong? Yes, something is going on. Even the blind man can see me, something is wrong. What am I doing wrong? Yeah, where am I going wrong? Yes, something is going on. Even the blind man can see me, something is. Where you're seeing a full fair. Vala never bang above a cheer in the honest fair. Brother Gisa what I'm fair and gas on the residential. Ramizanga stock am rohos nasin it's a cot hotel. Takalo song what hotel I'm ran at phone is super dead. Subizenda the kungera bana basongo super dead. Dishin tuan and a chiloro dova to hotel. So tosikezo ganjira matadash cot hotel. Nishko hasla saka brought to just to bull up sina shit. Tayo ritash kambelenu sina zaka renga sweet. It was crazy, it was heavy, that what made me to a king. From a baby I was thinking like a dead till Nazwin. Songo mbala nchibara vei when Nazwin. Nisa shumi na netingali na vei when Nazwin. Still a huna no wanna like me till Nazwin. Neno na beti varu na vei wasi zwin. Mara no money going in, always going out. Mrena kanindo kakamini in your holy house. When I arrive, everything is like quarter past. Marandina no kono repoto. I don't even got no whip, I don't even got shit. Every day is just a dream when I will live in this shit. Ndako player, Nazi player, Tino Drifter times 3. That shit turned me to a player, don't you blame it all on me. I should be on their TV, I'm tired of sending my CV. I don't even got a key, cause he go ask me when we're eating. I don't even know how I will answer that. All I know is that we're never quitting next. Yeah, what am I doing wrong? Yeah, what am I doing wrong? Yes, something is going on. Even a blind man can see me, something is wrong. Yeah, what am I doing wrong? What am I doing wrong? Yeah, something is going on. Even a blind man can see me, something is wrong. We're not winning like we should be. Ringa bomo tsatutupi. Call you medi ukobola hana mudi. She's like, I'm doing it all. I'm letting these niggas hit it raw till it's so and still they go. I don't understand what a nigga want.